What is called as class loader in Java? Class loading in Java is the process by which the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, dynamically loads, links, and initializes classes and interfaces into memory. Here are the three phases of class loading. First one is the loading phase where the class loader reads the class file containing the bytecode of a class and loads it into memory. Java uses different class loaders, such as the Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and application class loader. The second phase is linking phase. This phase involves the following steps. Verification ensures that the bytecode is valid and adheres to the Java specifications. Preparation allocates memory for static fields and assigns default values. Resolution converts symbolic references, for example, method and field names, into direct references. The final phase is initialization. The JVM executes the static initializers and static block of the class in the order they appear. There are three types of class loader types available in Java. Bootstrap class loader, responsible for loading core Java classes located in the java.lang package, for example, java.util, java.io. Extension class loader, loads classes from the X directory of the Java runtime environment. Application class loader, loads classes from the application's class path, for example, user-defined classes and libraries. The custom class loaders are also available by which Java allows developers to create their own class loaders by extending the class loader class. And custom class loaders are useful for applications that need to load classes in a non-standard way, such as dynamically loading plugins. The delegation model of class loaders is as below. Java uses a parent delegation model, where each class loader delegates the task of loading a class to its parent before attempting to load it itself. This model ensures consistency and prevents multiple copies of core classes being loaded. When does class loading occur? Explicitly, using class.forName class name. Implicitly, when a class is referenced for the first time, for example, creating an object or accessing a static field. Based on how class loading occurs, that is on compile or runtime, the class loaders are classified as follows. Static class loading. This ensures the classes are loaded at compile time or when the JVM starts running the program. The references to these classes are resolved at compile time. The key features are: requires explicit use of the new keyword. The class and its dependencies must be known at compile time. Example, my classObj equals new my class. Dynamic class loading, which loads the classes at runtime based on specific conditions or requirements. The class name is usually provided as a string, and the class is loaded dynamically. The key features includes: uses methods like class.forName or custom class loaders. Enables loading classes whose names are not known until runtime. Example, class equals class.forName my class, / dynamic class loading. Object_obj equals class.new instance. The key benefits of creating and using dynamic class loading involves the enhancing of the modularity. Classes are loaded only when needed, reducing memory usage. Better extensibility. Applications can load new classes at runtime, enabling features like plugin systems. Improved security. Java enforces strict class verification rules during loading, reducing vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.